Welcome to the Olympic Ring. The Olympic Stadium was the venue of the 1992 Summer Olympic Games of Barcelona, and to this day is a remarkably spectacular sight. It is an emblematic symbol for Barcelona citizens. The Olympic Ring Terrace is an exclusive area with its own character, where nature and culture blend in harmony. With its innovative and modern architecture, the Palau Sant Jordi is an undisputed symbol of avant-garde sophistication, and is considered one of the buildings that best mirrors Barcelona's image to the world. It is a unique setting for first-class sports events, national and international artist tours, cultural happenings, family shows. A universe within the reach of your imagination. Welcome to the place where anything is possible.